Hello Gucci's team, and hope everyone has been doing great. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my delicious curry sauce recipe. Chicken curry sauce recipe that nobody has shown you how to cook. And this will be very helpful this Easter if you're looking for a very special meal to make for your family. I hope you enjoyed this video and give this video a massive thumbs up. Let's cook this delicious together. With roasted chicken. You can either use roasted chicken for your chicken curry sauce, or you just go ahead and use normal chicken breast, turkey, depending on what you want. I'm using roasted chicken. Yeah, okay, I'm using roasted chicken. I'll show you exactly what this curry sauce is going to look like. So here in my pot, I've gone into parboiling my potatoes. I want some potatoes in. Of course, you're going to have potatoes. You can have mushroom, you can have gizzard if you like, depending on what you like in your curry sauce. But I'm just using the things I have at home to make this curry chicken sauce, and it's going to come out very delicious. So I've gone ahead to cook down my potatoes. I'm going to go in here with my carrots. So here is my chopped carrot. I'm going to add it to the potato. The reason why I'm adding it here because I want it to come out tender. You don't want vegetables in your curry chicken sauce hard. You want it crunchy actually. Okay, so I'll just let it steam here for just a little bit. It's going to go straight into our chicken. Alright, just watch what I'm doing. If it's something you want to try, go ahead. You will come back to say thank you, Gucci's. Alright, so here are my peas. I'm going to go in with these peas. I'll go in with green peas. You can also add green peas to your curry chicken sauce. So I'm going to allow it to cook. Because of the way I'm cooking this, I've gone into seasoning my potatoes. I'll let it chicken. I'm going to go in with some oil. Go in with a little bit of oil. You don't want to add too much oil, just a little pinch. This is a little portion anyways. A little bit of nutmeg. I'm going to go in with some white pepper. Going in with some onion powder, garlic powder. This is my garlic powder. I'm going to go in with some turmeric. This is just for color's sake. I want that color very good. So you can go in with turmeric, go in with your curry, this curry sauce. Guys, once you have gone in with your curry or your turmeric, of course you need curry because this is curry sauce. Allow your curry to toast. You need that flavor of curry. Allow your curry to toast very, very well. Yeah, you have to let your curry toast. Some people, when I watch them doing this recipe, I just see that they just pour the curry and that's it. No, your curry has to toast. Toast. Allow your curry to toast. It will give you that flavor. That is why it is called curry chicken sauce. Allow the curry to give you that good flavor. Yeah, just for a few minutes, few seconds, depending on the quantity you're cooking. I'm cooking a very little bit quantity. Just allow your curry to toast for a little bit. Trust me, you're going to see the end of it. In here, you can add a little bit of curry just to make sure it's having the same color. You can either use groundnut oil, soya oil, whatever oil you have. You can even go in with coconut oil. For this recipe, I'm using coconut oil. And I'm going to be using coconut also. Stay tuned. This has toasted nicely. Look at that. This is so gorgeous. My chicken was very well seasoned when I was roasting this chicken. It has all the flavors. Everything has been in here. Ginger, garlic, and all the rest of them. All my herbs was used to roast this chicken properly. I'm going to go in with my cooked potato. Alright. I'm going to add this in so everything can start cooking. So everything can start cooking nicely in one pot. The method I'm using. Try this method. you're going to say thank you, Gucci's. I have other vegetables coming in, but I'll let this start cooking. This is the most delicious curry chicken sauce. Look at that. I'm going to add other vegetables. And yeah, we're going to be ready in a jiffy. You can eat with white rice, you can eat, you can just eat it with the potatoes. Honestly, with anything that you like to eat this with, bread, really love it. Let me see your comments if you love the way I went about this. Here's my cabbage. I'm going to go in with my cabbage. Here's my red bell pepper. I'm going to add my red bell pepper. I don't have green bell pepper, but if you have red bell or any other color, go ahead. So I went in with some onion. You can go in with onion, any onion of your choice. I've gone in with the next red bell pepper, which is orange bell pepper. I'm going to go in with my coconut milk. This is the brand I'm using. I'm trying this brand for the very first time, but I know it's going to be a good brand. This was got from Publix. Okay, that's it. Are you feeling the color, guys? I've added the coconut milk. I'm just going to mix everything in gently. It's so flavorful. It's so delicious, guys. Look at this coconut vibe. It's giving, right? Look at your curry chicken sauce. This is so good. So this is the end result of our curry chicken sauce, guys. Look at that beautiful curry chicken sauce. I hope you want to try this. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please do me well to give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends and lovers. This will be helpful this Easter. You can eat with any fruit of your choice. It's the season. Stay tuned for more wonderful videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do me well to subscribe. If you have not hit the bell notification, just go ahead, hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to get our uploads. Okay, I hope you enjoy this. Just team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. Oh, ciao, ciao. See you soon. Bye bye.